This year, our family has little kids, so traveling is very difficult. So we decided to make our backyard a staycation campground. In this video, I'm going to share with you a bunch of items that we added to our backyard to make this feel like a home away from home in our backyard. One of the first items that we purchased for our backyard was this lifetime picnic table. This is a folding picnic table that actually seats 8 people. It's really heavy duty and it's really easy to clean. This has been such a great staple in our backyard for sitting at, and it's also perfect for our backyard staycation campground that we're doing this year in the backyard. The base of this table is really sturdy, and like I said, it does fold up, which makes it perfect for being able to store it into another location if we want to use this space for something else in the future. I'm also considering buying a second one because they do fold up. Then when we have extra guests, we have an automatic 8 seating table and chairs for them to sit in. But for now, this one table is working really well in our backyard. The material of the tabletop is really thick and sturdy. It's over 2 inches thick here, and it's really easy to clean. These little grooves are really easy to get clean with a vacuum or just rubbing a dish towel in there. I just spray it with a little bit of vinegar spray to keep it nice and clean for our family. And look at how beautiful it looks in the backyard. If you're looking for a kids seating arrangement for outside, this lifetime table has been a great addition to our backyard. It goes really well with our camping staycation theme, and this is a foldable table that seats 4 kids. My kids use this for crafts, they use it for eating outside. It's also just a nice little table to be able to sit at and enjoy some sunshine or a book. We can move it really easily into the shade when we need. We can also move it into the grass if we want it out there. It's water resistant. It's been holding up really well outside, and I just love the quality of this Lifetime brand because I found that everything that I've purchased from them has really lasted a long time and is really easy to maintain. The best part is that this table folds up really conveniently, so I can keep this in a different location if I prefer and bust it out for special occasions or events, or even take it with us to the park or to the beach, or when we want a table and chairs in another location. So I highly recommend this kids Lifetime folding table. Now, we looked for a very long time for some outside seating arrangements that were going to be comfortable, weather resistant, easy to maintain, and actually last a long time. So we decided to purchase these Polywood Adirondack chairs that are perfect on our porch. We purchased the matching table. These are in slate gray. These were really easy to assemble. My husband said that he would be happy to assemble these again, which is kind of rare because he doesn't like assembling things. But these fit him. I think they seat up to about 200 pounds per person. They're super comfortable. And if you wanted, you could also get a footrest that you could purchase with it, but we decided to skip that for now. I've cleaned these with just a little bit of vinegar spray, a towel, and it comes like really clean really quickly. They're holding up really well in the sun and they're not fading at all. So I highly recommend these Polywood chairs for the backyard if you're looking for a really great seating arrangement. Now, I've shared this in other videos in more detail, but this is my husband's choice for a grill for our backyard. It's small, but it's also really high powered. It is the Weber Spirit E325. It's a propane grill, and I did purchase some accessories, which I'll share in another video, but for now, I'm going to share with you what it looks like with this cover on. The Weber branded cover has been a really great addition, as well as this grilling mat. I definitely recommend getting the mat because it does protect your deck surfaces and is easy to clean. I actually have been vacuuming it and it's been coming really clean really easily. So this is a great addition to our campground backyard theme this year, which is like a staycation backyard theme. So I highly recommend these Weber grills because they're really functional, cheap, and easy to use. Since we've decided to turn our backyard into a staycation campground, we definitely wanted to have a tent. So as always, I always purchase the Coleman brand tents. I've tried other brands in the past, and I can tell you for sure that the Coleman brand is the best tent available on the market. I purchased this one on Amazon. This is a 2-person tent. It's a great size, especially for kids, because the kids are actually using this as like a backyard fort, but it's also just gone through a big storm. We left it up during the storm, and this has always surprised me at how well that these tents actually last in a storm. They actually keep a lot of the water out, and they're very, very sturdy. So this one, as you can see, is just in great condition, even going through a big storm. So I do like to keep the rain fly on for the backyard, because then I don't have to worry about vacuuming it and cleaning it all the time. But the kids really love going in here and keeping this as their backyard fort. It wasn't very expensive. I've looked at other backyard fort ideas for kids, but they're even more expensive, I found, and they're not as sturdy and they're not as practical. So getting a Coleman tent as a backyard fort for kids is just such a fun idea, and it just makes it really feel like we're camping at home. This year we have little kids, so going camping is actually really difficult when you have a bunch of little kids. So that's why we decided to turn our backyard into a staycation campground. I'm going to show you what the inside of this tent looks like. Here's how you unzip it. It's got 2 strong zippers here with a flap that keeps rain and bugs out. There we go. And here we go. We have some water guns in there. And you can actually fold this back. It has some little clasps right here to keep the door open if you want to keep it open. But that's what the inside looks like for the 2-person Coleman tent. There are some little windows that you can roll down as well for some extra ventilation. And then this whole side up to the top right there, and that side is actually completely ventilated. So there's lots of ventilation in here. We use this even to take naps out here in the backyard during the day, and even just as a fun little escape from being inside all day. It's just like such a fun thing to have for the kids. And you can put a mattress in here, or you can just put a rug. We even bring out the little portable DVD player, watch movies out here. But I definitely recommend a Coleman tent as a fun kids fort. If you're looking for a really great fun party activity, I recently purchased these 2-pack of backyard tactical bunker obstacles. We used these actually for a water gun fight party that we were having in our backyard, and these were a great addition. Even the adults were able to sort of crouch behind, but these are perfect for kids. They come with a set of 2 so that you can have battlefields on each side, and they were perfect for the water guns, but they're also good for dart guns and foam blasters and all kinds of stuff. They have some really gnarly looking designs on them that look really tough. It says War Zone, keep out. And then they also were pretty easy to assemble. My husband said that all they had to do was basically put some of the poles together and then put these clasps right here. These fold up really nicely, so you can easily store these. We've been just keeping them in the backyard because our family really likes to do squirt gun, water gun battles. So this was just a really great addition, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it lays down like that. Well, I definitely recommend these, and I hope that you enjoy. Have a great summer.